Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off restricted mode on YouTube. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open YouTube. So once you open YouTube, you simply need to click on your channel icon on the top right, and then you need to click on settings, and here you need to click on the general, and then you need to scroll down, and here you can see that restricted mode. So if it is turned on like this help hide potentially mature videos. No filter is 100% accurate. This setting only applies to this app on this device. So if you want to turn that off, you simply need to click here, and now restricted mode is turned off. So this is the process by which you can turn off restricted mode on YouTube app. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.